Hey guys, this is JD. Just want to sit there and give you guys a little quick shout out and everything. It is a happy Tuesday. We want to make sure that everything is going well for you. And the title of this one is When You Face Challenges, Everything's Going to Be Okay. Life hands you some challenges to make sure that you can handle it. Something that makes you stronger. Those that don't kill you makes you stronger. So you got to get out of your comfort zone. And it basically teaches you on how to deal with difficult times in your life. You need to be able to know how to do that. We want to make sure that you understand that whatever comes at you, if you have a plan, then you'll be able to take care of that. And you'll make sure that you'll make it through to the next one. The thing is, we want to let you guys know that don't curl up in a ball. Don't tap out. We want to make sure that you make it to the other side. You get what I mean? So we want to make sure that you understand that, hey, it's not that bad. It's like a scant knee. Yeah, it hurts right there. Put some dressing on it, let it have time to heal itself, and then it'll all be better. That's the same thing with daily challenges ourselves that we have to deal with. So if you haven't, the New Year's Eve or New Year's resolution? We're in the second month. Take time, breathe, regroup yourself, and then get back on track for your resolution. This is only month 2, so it's not over yet. Heck, it's not even Wednesday yet, so we want to make sure that you guys are ready to take on all these challenges. This is JD, and I guess we'll see you on the other side.